We'll guide you through how to connect and link Google Forms to Google Sheets. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now we're handing over to Pausa, who's continuing with the guide.
Open your web browser and go to Google Forms and then open the form that you want to connect with Google Sheet. For this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and start fresh by clicking on blank form, and then I'm just going to go ahead and add my title. After that, I'm just going to go ahead and add description. After that, let's add a question. So I'm just going to go ahead and type question like, what type of tutorial would you like to see on the next GuideRealm, and then set it to multiple choice and then add my options. Once that your form is finished, you can just go ahead and go to the responses at the top, and this is where you will see all the submission to your form appear. And as for me, I have not published my form, so I'm not seeing any responses, but at the top you will see an option for link to sheets. Just go ahead and click on that, and here you can create a new spreadsheet and name it, or you can also go with existing spreadsheet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and rename my spreadsheet to something like GuideRealm 1, and then click on create, and now it will be successfully linked. I'm just gonna go ahead and publish it. So I'll just go to top right and click on publish, and then click on publish. Now to make sure everything is working correctly, let's just test it. In your Google form, just go ahead and click on copy responder link, and then you can also shorten the URL by just clicking on shorten URL, and I'm just gonna go ahead and click on copy and then open a new tab and then press Ctrl V to paste the link that we copied earlier, and then press enter. And now your Google form should be visible, and you can see it is saying what type of tutorial would you like to see next. So let's say I want to go with something like AI tools. After that, I'm just gonna go ahead and click on submit, and now you can see it is saying your response has been recorded. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go to my Google Sheet, and now you can see the AI tool that we selected has been successfully recorded.